Hello everyone. In this video I show you how we can fix running into the fail to initialize Vulkan error in Dota 2. Here is how to fix it fast. First, open Steam, right-click Dota 2, select Properties, head to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. If that doesn't fix it, go back to the General tab under Properties. In the Launch Options field at the bottom, type -novid-console-dx11 and try launching the game again. Switching to DirectX 11 usually bypasses the Vulkan launch crash immediately. If you're still having trouble, we can adjust the executable compatibility. In Steam Properties, go to Installed Files and click Browse. Navigate to the Game, Bin, and Win64 folders. Right-click Dota2.exe, select Properties, and open the Compatibility tab. Check Run as Administrator and click Apply. If that still fails, check Run this program in compatibility mode for and test Windows 8 or Windows 7. If this guide helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.